how to place a stop loss on Coinbase Advanced. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a stop loss on Coinbase Advanced. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like. Also, if you're looking for a beginner's tutorial on how to use the Coinbase website, the Coinbase app, or Coinbase wallet, I've placed links to these videos in the description below. And just a quick reminder, nothing in this video is financial advice, and if you need financial advice, make sure you speak with a licensed professional. So what is a stop loss? A stop loss, also called a stop order or stop loss order, is a type of trade you set up in advance. It automatically sells your crypto if the price drops to a certain level, helping you to limit your losses. Now, it's important to understand the difference between a sell limit order and a sell stop limit order. They're two completely different things. Let me give you an example. Let's say Bitcoin is currently trading at 110K. If I place a sell limit order at 95K, it will execute immediately because 110K is a better price than 95K. A limit order just tries to sell at your price or better. And hypothetically right now, the market is already above 95K, so it fills right away. But a stop limit order works very differently. It's best to break it down into two parts. The stop price, this acts as a trigger, and the limit price, this is the actual sell order that gets placed once your stop is triggered. So here's how it works. The stop price is a trigger price. Your limit order won't exist on Coinbase until the stop price is reached. This is different from a regular limit order, which is placed on the order book straight away. So let's go over an example using Coinbase's spot trading screen. So I'm currently on the ETH/USDT trading pair. First, you want to make sure it's set to sell on the right-hand side, and under the order type, you want to set it to stop limit. Recently, Ethereum has been bouncing between, say, 2,100-ish and 2,700-ish, and right now it's trading at 2,525. So I may have a theory that if ETH drops below 2,000, then it could continue dropping to, say, 1,500 or even lower. So bear in mind, this is all hypothetical. So I want to set up a stop loss using a stop limit order. I'll set the stop price to $2,000. Then I'll set the limit price to $1,900. Just below it. This gives Coinbase a bit of breathing room to place the limit order if the market drops quickly. Next, I'll choose to sell all of my ETH and I'll hit sell Ethereum. And that order will now sit in the orders tab until it executes. If you want to cancel it, you can just click the three dots to the right and choose cancel. But if you don't cancel your order, here's what will happen. If the price drops to $2,000, Coinbase will place a limit sell order at $1,900. If the market stays above $1,900, your order should fill at that price or better. But here's the risk. If the market crashes fast and drops below $1,900 before the order is filled, it won't sell, unless the price comes back up to $1,900 again. That's the trade-off with stop limit orders. You get more control, but they're not guaranteed to execute in volatile markets. So anyway, that is how to place a stop loss on Coinbase using a stop limit order. If you want more Coinbase tutorials, check out my Coinbase tutorials playlist. If you got any value from this video, then please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell as I upload new finance and crypto related content every week. And if you're new to crypto, you might be wondering what a smart contract is, so I recommend checking out this video next. It's been Ollie from Get Geek Finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.